Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Guys, we're gonna practice together today. How is your video gonna be? And I want you to use the rest of the class to go work on your video, maybe record some scene. And remember, I want everybody by Sunday night to send it to me. Sunday night, everybody should send it to me by 10 p.m. so I can be able to download them and have them ready so we can start presenting Monday and Tuesday. Everybody had to submit them on Sunday, but we're gonna have Monday and Tuesday to present them. And again, if you don't feel comfortable me showing the class your video, you just can email me, and inshallah I will not. اليوم التاريخ الإسلامي الأربعاء 11 من شهر ربيع الأول سنة 1442 هجرية. الجو اليوم معتدل والسماء غائمة فالشمس غائبة. And let's move inshallah to practice together. 25% of your grade is going to be based on you pronouncing and reading or saying the sentences correctly with the harakat correctly. Another part is going to be based on the submitting it at time. Another part is going to be based on the scene and the video. If the video is talking, the video is going along with the word correctly. And the last part is going to be based on how good it is. So because some people will do very good video, it's not going to be like somebody will do it anything. Okay, so that's all going to be matter. So please guys, let's practice together. It's going to be 13 scene, no less than 13, and again no more than 3 minutes, so try to time yourself. أستيقظ الساعة السادسة صباحا. So, and again, you have to do it yourself. Again, nobody's letting a sibling do it, because you have to be saying the sentences while you're doing the action, the activity, okay? But again, if you don't feel comfortable, I won't show it to anybody. I will see it alone just to create it. So you have to say the sentence while you're doing the activity, and you can ask somebody at home to videotape you, record you. Again, أستيقظ الساعة السادسة صباحا. أتوضأ ثم أصلي صلاة الفجر الساعة 6:30 صباحا. ألبس ملابس المدرسة. ألبس ملابس المدرسة. آكل الفطور. The فطور is your option. Can be cereal, الحبوب مع الحليب, الخبز والجبن, bread and cheese, or anything else as long as it's Arabic vocabulary. So if you have something that you want, just Google translation, use Google translation to find the meaning, but it's better always not. It has to be word, not sentences, okay? So آكل الفطور الحبوب مع الحليب. آكل الفطور الخبز والجبن. أذهب إلى المدرسة بالسيارة الساعة 7. Or أذهب إلى المدرسة بالسيارة الساعة 7:30 صباحا. If you say 7, you go right away to صباحا. But if you want to say 7:30, then 7:30 صباحا. Okay? Let's move. أرجع إلى البيت الساعة 2. أرجع إلى البيت الساعة 2. أرجع إلى البيت الساعة 2. You can read along with me. ألبس ملابس البيت وأتوضأ ثم أصلي صلاة الظهر. ألبس ملابس البيت وأتوضأ ثم أصلي صلاة الظهر. You can do this in a separate. So you can say ألبس ملابس البيت, and then the next picture will show you making wudu. You can say وأتوضأ في الحمام. And then when you show yourself praying, it say وأصلي صلاة الظهر. Unless you can do it all together, but it's going to be kind of hard. So I think this should be like split. Okay, so ألبس ملابس البيت. You're gonna show yourself doing this. Then أتوضأ في الحمام or أتوضأ. And then you say أصلي. You're gonna show yourself praying. أصلي صلاة الظهر. Again, the girls who's not wearing hijab, or even if you usually at home we don't wear hijab, so but everybody has to be wearing hijab while you're recording yourself. Let's move now. آكل الغداء. غداء should be وجبة خفيفة. You can say آكل الغداء and you can just say وجبة خفيفة. وجبة خفيفة means a light meal. Okay? Or whatever you want to say. But I recommend say وجبة خفيفة, a light meal. خفيفة means light. Okay? سآكل الغداء وجبة خفيفة, like a light meal. ألعب مع أخي, ألعب مع أختي, that's your option. Or you can just say ألعب في حديقة البيت. ألعب ألعاب إلكترونية. ألعب على لوح التزلج. أو ألعب على الدراجة. But I want you to do kind of activity. I want you to use كلمة ألعب. So the idea, I know that maybe you don't do it as a regular day, but the idea of this homework and this lesson to learn the verb that we use on a daily basis. So next is أعمل. أعمل الواجب المدرسي. You have to do your homework. أعمل الواجب المدرسي. آكل العشاء. And you have a lot of options for عشاء. And I recommend, guys, any day you see your mom cook لحم, سمك, دجاج, videotape yourself with the plate. So you have to show us the اللحم, the سمك, الدجاج, so you can be hungry looking at you eating. So آكل العشاء اللحم والأرز. آكل العشاء السمك والخضروات. آكل العشاء الدجاج والأرز. أشاهد التلفاز الساعة 10 مساء. And you don't go in front of computer. It has to be a تلفاز. And I'm sure all of you has a TV تلفاز at home. أشاهد التلفاز الساعة 10 مساء. أشاهد I watch. أتفرج. أشاهد تلفاز الساعة 10 مساء. أنظف أسناني. أنظف أسناني. ثم أنام الساعة 11. Or the time is up to you. 11, 10, 9. You can change it as long as it doesn't conflict with the other time before. Okay? So أنظف, I clean my teeth. ثم أنام الساعة 11. Guys, your wajib is to translate these sentences. I want to make sure you understand them. So I'm going to go back and read them one more time for you to practice reading. And your wajib, you're going to submit it now during class time. It's just to translate. So now while I'm reading, just write number 1 and write the meaning in English. Number 2, the meaning in English, and just submit it in class time. Okay? It has to be in class time. And I recommend you guys go over and over reading, because again, 25% of your grade for this video project is based on your saying the sentences correctly. أستيقظ الساعة 6 صباحا. We know what أستيقظ. ما معنى أستيقظ? I wake up. ما معنى صباحا? AM or in the morning. أستيقظ الساعة 6 صباحا. أتوضأ. I make wudu. ثم then أصلي صلاة الفجر الساعة 6:30. 6:30 صباحا. النصف means 30 in Arabic. ألبس ملابس المدرسة. ألبس means I wear. ملابس المدرسة. ملابس clothes. آكل I eat. آكل الفطورة. breakfast. آكل الفطورة. الحبوب مع الحليب. الخبز والجبن. okay? الخبز والجبن. I go. أذهب إلى المدرسة بالسيارة الساعة 7 صباحا. B means with or by car. B. أذهب إلى المدرسة بالسيارة الساعة 7 صباحا or أذهب إلى المدرسة بالسيارة الساعة 7:15 صباحا. So if you're close, you're going to go 7:30. 6. أرجع return go back إلى البيت الساعة 2. أرجع إلى البيت الساعة 2. You have to pay attention to اللام الشمسية اللام القمرية when you pronounce. I'm going to be looking for that. ألبس ملابس البيت. See now ملابس follow with بيت that mean house clothes. ملابس المدرسة school clothes. ألبس I wear ملابس المدرسة البيت وأتوضأ make wudu ثم أصلي صلاة الظهر. آكل I eat آكل الغداء. آكل الغداء وجبة خفيفة. وجبة خفيفة means light meal. وجبة meal and خفيفة light. ألعب مع أخي. If you have a brother. ألعب مع أختي. Or you just ألعب and you jump في حديقة البيت. في حديقة البيت in the backyard or the front yard, whatever, whenever there is an area for you around the house. ألعب ألعاب إلكترونية. ألعابا should be ألعابا إلكترونية. That's the video games. ألعب على لوح التزلج the skateboard or على الدراجة. You can say الدراجة. الدراجة means the bike. الدراجة is the bicycle. ألعب على الدراجة. Okay? So that's up to you. You choose whatever you want. أعمل الواجب المدرسي. I do my school work. أعمل الواجب المدرسي. آكل العشاء. I eat dinner. And that's your choice between اللحم والأرز السمك والخضروات الدجاج والأرز. Pick one of them, whatever you're planning on doing. آكل اللحم والأرز. آكل العشاء السمك والخضروات. آكل العشاء الدجاج والأرز. أشاهد I watch. أشاهد التلفاز الساعة 10 مساء. أشاهد I watch التلفاز. مساء means evening or PM. أشاهد التلفاز الساعة 10 مساء. and أخيرا finally أخيرا أنظف أسناني. I clean my teeth. ثم أنام الساعة 11. ثم أنام الساعة 11. Please guys practice reading as much as you can and start recording yourself. Don't postpone everything to the last minute. Anybody doesn't submit it on Sunday night by 10 p.m. when I check it, right away your grade won't be out of 100. So if you do the best, the highest you're going to get an 80. Time is very important. We've been talking about this since a long time, since last week. So please guys, make sure it's not hard and practice today. And you have enough time after this is only 15 minutes. And you can just write the meaning while I'm doing it. So you have no excuse, first of all, not to submit this work within class time because the class is 38 minutes. And I recommend the rest of the 15 try to maybe record yourself doing homework and let your mom practice that sentence. Let your mom or anybody at home record that or video you doing the activity. Okay. Assalamu alaikum and أراكم غدا إن شاء الله. Assalamu alaikum.